Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. I'm out here learning how to operate my new camera. I'm the only person here. Brought my go-to, the Extra 300, and a couple batteries. And I've been flying a few laps and then changing the camera settings and doing the same, and taking note on what settings that the camera's in for each particular flight and how I have it positioned on my head and all that, so that when I go back home and watch them, I'll know what settings are the best. So anyways, taking to the off straight ahead. Been doing some far away flying, some close flying, and been trying to figure it out. This camera has more settings than I will ever use, ever know what to do. Just quite a bit. A huge upgrade from what we did have. Right now I'm using the camera's easy mode settings, which, you know, it kind of figures out things for you. But the easy mode has like 18 different settings. So we're going through all these settings, and then we'll try some of the advanced settings. Got to love the Safe Select, man. The Safe Select gave us all the opportunity to learn how to fly these planes and enjoy this hobby. To the best of my knowledge, E-Flite and Spectrum, I think it was E-Flite first, actually had the full Safe Select. I think they were the first ones to come out with it. And I like to say thank you. My very first plane was the Apprentice that I talk about, but it wasn't the STS version. This was another version, and the receiver that was in it was a 5-channel, and it was branded E-Flite. It wasn't branded Spectrum. And E-Flite receiver had AS3X and the Safe Select in it. And then kind of following Horizon Hobby throughout the past few years, it seems like they're, you know, buying other companies or they're all becoming one family now or something. And so the receivers have changed names from the E-Flite to Spectrum. But anyways, I believe they were the first ones. Now many other companies have the technology for the self-leveling and all that. But I feel like E-Flite Spectrum was the first ones to do it, so that's who I'm sticking with. That's who gave me the opportunity to do this hobby, and I'm grateful. A lot of people say Spectrum is too expensive, and yeah, they are more expensive than other brands, but they're the ones that made it possible for me to do this, so I'm loyal to them. I'm sure the other companies have good qualities also, but I'd say that Spectrum, Horizon Hobbies, E-Flite, all them, their customer service is amazing, their products are amazing, and I'm a customer for life. Let's try a touch and go, or a rolling landing or whatever. Let's try that. It just doesn't want to come down. We got a little headwind. a minute ago and didn't want to bring it down. Alright, try to roll it again, and then we'll try a cornhole. Let's get a little close. Big plane up there, a little bigger than I've seen before in this parts. Oh, it was like inches. It was inches. One more there we go. All right, now cornhole time. Assume the cornhole position. Transmitter's beeping at me. That cornhole came backwards on us. Instead of going straight up, it went up and backwards at us. I'm like, dang, thing's getting closer. Sticks together. No, that was a flip flop. Flip flop. I let off the throttle too soon to continue the cornhole. Oh no, safe select. And it just leveled out. Knife edge, kind of. Tell you what, let's try another knife edge here. Practice makes perfect. Alright, we're a couple minutes past the timer. Beautiful.
If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.